Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 12th, and this is my analysis of the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD monthly, I still think it looks like either an A or a 1. I still think this looks like three waves up for either a B or a 2. I still think this needs to go down, most likely to make a wave C or maybe even make a wave 3. Either scenario, I definitely don't think it's important to know whether this is a C or a 3 at this stage in the market, because either way it should lead to a pretty significant downtrend. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I definitely am looking at this as a downtrend. Looks like a wave 1. To me, it looks like the wave 2 is already complete, and it looks like it should already be going down for a wave 3. Most likely a wave 3 of wave C based on the monthly time frame. So taking it right down to the daily. On the daily time frame is where you can kind of break this down a little bit more. You can see the 5 waves down for the 1. You can see the uptrend for what I call an A, 3 waves down B, ending diagonal overlapping trend for the wave C. It did kind of miss the fib level, kind of turned right in between them, but that does happen sometimes. Most likely it's already a wave 2. Most likely this is just going to keep on going down for a wave 3. If this really is a 3, then it's probably like a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and it's just going to keep on going down for that wave 3 of wave 3. So taking it right down to the 4 hour time frame, one thing we do have to keep in mind is today is CPI news for the US dollar. And that is for sure going to affect all the dollar pairs in a pretty big way. I mean, to me, it looks like this should be a 1 and this looks like it should be a 2. It does almost kind of make me think on this one that it actually could go up before it goes down. But looking at the US dollar index for more of a reference, I think there's a pretty good chance that this is already going down. The dollar looks like it needs to go down, and if the dollar goes down, then this ABC right here will probably hold, and this probably will continue to make lower lows and lower highs. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. Like I said, we have CPI interest rates today, but then next Wednesday on March 20th, we have US dollar interest rates. So we have a pretty big couple weeks coming in. Now, like I said, the trend is definitely down on all the higher time frames, and I definitely trade with the trend until proven otherwise. To me, this right here looks like the end of a crescent, and if that is the end of a crescent, that maybe it will pop up a little bit, but most likely it is just going to keep on going down. So until the higher time frames, like the daily time frame and up, tell me that this is not in a downtrend anymore, which it definitely has not done so yet, I for sure am just going to continue to go short at the end of every single pullback I see until the higher time frames tell me otherwise. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.